Math journals, we're going to be taking notes on multiplication of decimals, and that is TEK 5.3D, represent multiplication of decimals with products to the hundreds using decimals. We're going to look at how to model that with the 100 blocks. We have an example here. This is 3/10 multiplied by 2/10. And the first step is to shade the first decimal horizontally one color. So as you can see in this example, we have 3/10. So I've shaded in yellow 3/10, which is 3 of the longs here. Then the next step is to shade the second decimal vertically with a different color. Okay, and this is 2/10, so I've used blue here. And I've shaded 2 of these longs, which represent 2/10 here. And the next step is to count the overlapped colors to get your answer. And if you could see this here, this is green. The blue and the yellow made green, and this is your answer right here where it made green. And let's count those blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is 6/10. That is your answer. And you can see the problem written out this way, horizontally. Okay, and then let's take a look at how do we multiply decimals with whole numbers. Okay, let me see if I can blow this up a bit. Okay, so in this example here, we have 3 times 12 hundredths. So you highlight the amount given in the decimal first. Okay, you're going to highlight that amount. Then the whole number tells you how many times to change the color. And the last step is count the shaded boxes. So let's think about this. What are we doing here? We're taking this amount, the decimal amount 12/10, and we're going to shade it in 3 times. So I changed colors 3 times here. First, I'm going to shade in 12 hundredths in yellow. So to represent that, I've shaded in a 10, okay, and then I've shaded in 2 of these blocks, and that's 12 blocks together, or 12 hundredths, okay. Then I changed colors, and I used green to shade in another long here, representing the 1 in the tens place, and then I had 2, so that represents 12 hundredths. And then I changed colors again, which represents our 3. That's the third time I changed colors. And I shaded in the long and then 2 blocks. Now I simply count all of them. I have 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is our answer, 36 hundredths. Make sure your notes are neat. Do the best you can on drawing your 100 block. I just want to make sure that you can visually represent this and understand what your notes mean when you take those.